for the treatment of a number of bacterial infections when taken by mouth or injections, means it can be taken by orally or parenterally into a vein. This includes pneumonia, UTI, prostatitis, plague. Other uses along with other medications include treating multi-drug resistance in tuberculosis. Other uses along with other medications means the ofloxacin can be given in the combination of with other drugs, and this include the treating multi-drug resistance. If a person is having suffering from multi-drug resistance, then the ofloxacin can be given to that person. Now next description, some more description is about ofloxacin, the properties and uses. It is one of the most promising newer member of the fluoroquinoline family. In this, the product, the N-methyl moiety, has been made rigid by incorporation into a heterocyclic ring. It is useful in the treatment of genitourinary, respiratory, gastrointestinal, skin and soft tissue infections, and gonorrhea, which is a sexually transmitted disease. If we consider about the mode of action of ofloxacin, this drug is inhibits the bacterial enzyme DNA gyrase. As we all know, the DNA gyrase is the enzyme of it is the type of topoisomerase enzyme which is responsible for the coiling or winding of the DNA and prevent and replication of bacterial DNA during bacterial growth and reproduction. What this drug is doing? This drug is inhibiting the DNA gyrase, which is a topoisomerase enzyme, and if the DNA is not coiled, then DNA will not replicate or form. So thus the DNA synthesis or nucleic acid synthesis or genetic material synthesis may stop. If we talk about the doses, then the 100 to 200 mg tablet, 200 to 450 mg daily, usually for 5 to 7 days. If we consider about the adverse drug reaction, GIT upset, skin reactions and CNS disturbance. It is generally this drug is generally metabolized by N-demethylation, N-oxidation and O-acyl glucomidation. Generally, these all are the phase 2 reactions. Contraindication: this drug is generally contraindicated in in pregnant and lactating women and the children below 16 years, and the patient is having a history of epilepsy. So this is the structure, and the IUPAC name of this drug is 9-fluoro-2,3-dihydro-3-methyl-10,4-methyl-1-piperazine, 7-oxo, 7-hydro-pyrido-1,2,3-D, 1,4-benzoxazine, 6-carboxylic acid. If we talk about the synthesis, then this is the synthesis, and the precursor of ofloxacin is ethyl. It is the ethyl 2,3,4,5 tetrafluoro-3-oxopropionate benzene. This is the precursor of ofloxacin synthesis, and these are the steps of synthesis of ofloxacin drug. Now next drug is ciprofloxacin. Ciprofloxacin is an antibiotic used to treat a number of bacterial infections. This includes bone and joints infections, intra-abdominal infections, certain types of infections, considering infections related to diarrhea, respiratory tract infections, skin infections, typhoid fever, and urinary tract infections, and among others. This is the structure of ciprofloxacin, and this is the IUPAC name of ciprofloxacin. 1-cyclopropyl, 6-fluoro, 4-oxo, 7-piperazine, Yl, quinoline, 3-carboxylic acid. The mode of action of ciprofloxacin is, it is a broad spectrum antibiotic, means it may active against most of the bacteria. Antibiotic of fluoroquinolones class. It is active against both gram-positive and negative bacteria. It functions by inhibiting DNA gyrase. Again, similar with the previous drug, it is again inhibiting the DNA gyrase enzyme and topoisomerase 2, topoisomerase 4, and necessary to separate bacterial DNA, thereby inhibiting the cell division. Ultimately, if any drug is inhibiting the DNA gyrase enzyme or topoisomerase enzyme, then ultimately the DNA will not form, because the coiling of DNA is not happening in this case. The last drug is methamine. The hexamethylene tetramine or methenamine is also known as hexamine or urotropin. It is a heterocyclic organic compound with the formula CH2 and 4. This is the white crystalline powder, is highly soluble in water and polar organic solvent. It has cage-like structure similar to adamantane. It is useful in the synthesis of other chemical compounds like plastic, pharmaceuticals, and rubber additives. This is the structure, and this is the IUPAC name of this drug: 1357 tetraacetotricyclo 3311 decam. Thank you. Good morning, one and all. I, Sarika Sharma, Assistant Professor, UIPS Ujjain. Our today's lecture's topic is tetracyclines. First of all, the introductory part of tetracycline. Tetracyclines are a group of broad-spectrum antibiotic compounds that have a common basic structure and are either isolated directly from several species of bacteria like Streptomyces bacteria or produced semi-synthetically from those isolated compounds. Tetracycline molecule comprises a linear fused tetracycline nucleus. Generally, there are 4-ring system named as ABCD, to which a variety of functional groups are attached. Tetracyclines are named for 4 means tetra, cycline, cycle means hydrocarbon ring, cycle means ring, and derivative means ine. That this tetracycline term word is fragmented into 3 parts. 4 tetracycline. Tetra means 4, cycle means ring, and derivation is ine. The tetracycline were discovered in 1940s and exhibited activity against a wide range of microorganisms, including gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, mycoplasma, rickettsia, protozoa, and protozoa parasites. Now, next point of tetracycline introduction is the tetracycline itself was discovered later than chlortetracycline and oxytetracycline, but is still considered as the parent compound for the nomenclature purpose. Tetracycline discovered later than chlortetracycline and oxytetracycline, means these two compounds discovered first. Tetracyclines are most common and cheapest class of antibiotic available and have been used extensively in prophylaxis and in the treatment of human and animal infections, as well as at subtherapeutic level in animal feed as growth promoter. So in this point there are various uses of tetracycline, like this antibiotic is used as a prophylaxis. This antibiotic is used for veterinary purpose, as well as it used as a animal feed as a growth promoter. And last point is tetracyclines are growth inhibitor, means it is it cannot kill the microorganism, it stops the growth of microorganism. So it is the bacteriostatic in nature. It is bacteriostatic in nature. It only stops the growth of microorganism. So this is the structure of tetracycline. This is the structure of tetracycline. The first point of tetracycline structure is here. You can see this